Hey guys, I want to share a little thing I got on eBay the other day. What this is a battery storage box, but you can take your AAA batteries, put them in this sleeve. If I can get this done one-handed. Put it in the sleeve, snap it, and turn that into a AA. And the AA's and AAA's are the same voltage. They're 1.5 volts, and then they fit in there in the container. And that snaps closed. And what I like about this, besides using the AAA's as AA's, is the fact that I can carry 4 AAA's and 4 AA's in one package and use them as AAA's or use them as AA's, whatever the flashlight I'm carrying takes. And then this strap goes around, closes it. That's it. And these are running about $5, I think, free shipping on eBay with the adapters. So just a cool little thing that I'd share with you. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you.